morning, YouTube. Brian here with Extreme Property Solutions. I've got a simple job here today in Conroe. Customer called. They just wanted to get their backyard cleaned up. They had the trees removed, kind of cleared out the back of his property a little bit, and they just left a bunch of sticks and stuff. Just kind of customer just wants to get the backyard cleaned up. So that's all we're going to do today. Is a small area, not a very big job, but we're headed to the job site right now, so ride with us. Alright, give a little video update here. Got everything cleaned off. A little pile over there, a little pile right here. I'll go ahead and go get the dump trailer, start loading that up, and then come back and get it all cleaned up, taken to the dump. So here's those real life problems on them small jobs. Dump trailer's stuck. A little worried about it because I knew the yard was so soft. Well, always got to be something. It is Monday. Alright, finally got the dump trailer unloaded. Go ahead and get all this put back. Go ahead and get this put back in the original pile where it was earlier. So now I've got two different options. I talked to the customer about it. I can either try and just spread it out. There's some low spots in the yard because there's a lot of dirt in it and some, little bit of roots and sticks and stuff. I try and sift through it a little bit, or I either do that or I take one bucket at a time all the way out to the front of his property and then load the dump trailer out there on the road, which I really don't want to do because that would take forever. Unless I had some more mats to go all the way back here, but I don't think so. With as heavy as that trailer was and as soft as the dirt is, I don't want to even mess with it. Change of plans again. I put the dump trailer in the driveway and I'm going to load everything there. It's going to take a lot longer to get everything out and loaded, but I went to start spreading that junk basically in the low spot, and before I even finished or dumped it, I was just like, this is not what I want to do. This is not the right way to do it, and I didn't feel good about it at all. Good morning, everybody. That was a bad sign when it's the second day on the job and it was a 4-hour minimum bid job. That is not what you want to have happen. That's a bad start to the week. But anyways, it is what it is. Sometimes it'll happen on them little jobs. Really, I feel like it happens more often than not. It happens. I hate doing little minimum jobs because that's just what seems to happen. You bid them, there's minimal profit in it and a whole lot of time to lose a bunch of money. But anyways, we got this little bit left here to clean up. Got a couple piles right over there. Once I get those loaded up and in the dump trailer and hauled off, I'll come back and do a little final grade and then be loaded up and headed out. But stick with us while we finish this one out. Broom might be better for that. I pretty much dusted myself with the blower. Well, that was the dumb move of the day. Won the idiot award for today.